Hey guys, welcome back to the Gear Up X, where we keep car review simple, fun, and real. Today we're checking out the legendary Ford F Series, probably one of American favorite pickup truck. You probably seen them everywhere at work site, family trip, or just cruising down the highway. But what makes this truck so special? Stick around because I am gonna break it all down from how it looks to what's inside, the cool tech, safety features, and why people love it so much. Let's start with how it looks. Man, the Ford F-Series just looks powerful. It's big, about 213 inches long, almost 18 inch width, and around 17.5 inch tall. That size gives it a strong presence whether you on the highway or off the beaten path. There are different cab style depending on what you need. The regular cab is good if you are mostly hauling stuff. The super cab gives you some extra space, and the crew cab will that for when you want to take your friend or family along. The bed size is nice too, from 5.5 feet to a full 8 feet, so you can carry work tools, furniture, or even your weekend camping gear. Oh, and the LED headlight super bright, plus you can pick different wheel size from 17 inch all the way up to 22 inch alloy. If you want trucks to look there and off-road package with extra ground clearance and protective skid plates make it feel unstoppable. Let's step inside the Ford F series and trust me, it's more than just a work truck. You get plenty of space. In the front there are about 44 inches of headroom, that means lots of space above your head. In the back there are around 43 inches of legroom, so passengers won't feel squeezed at all. Their seats are simple but comfortable. Basic models come with cloth seats and higher version have leather seats. You can even get heated seats for cold days and ventilated seats for hot weather. Nice, right? The dashboard is super easy to use. Their touch screen in the center, it's either 8 inches or 12 inches big depending on the model. You can control music, maps, and phone from her. Right in front of you there a clean digital display showing speed, fuel level, and trip info. No confusing dials, everything is simple and easy to read. You find USB ports everywhere, two in the front, two in the back, plus wireless phone charging on higher models. Storage is thoughtful. A big center console hold your laptop, work tools. Under the seats, perfect for small items. Big door pocket that easily fit water bottle or paper. Even the air vents are easy to use. You can point them exactly where you want. Plus dual zone climate control lets both the driver and passenger set their own temperature, so everyone stay comfortable. Let's talk a tech, and it's surprisingly good for a truck. The S5 system makes it super easy to connect your phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or just Bluetooth. You can control music, get direction, or make calls without getting distracted. Higher trims give you a head-up display, so your speed and direction show right on the windshield. Super handy when you don't want to take your eyes off the road. Need help parking in the tight spot? The 360-degree camera system show you everything around the truck, front, side, back, making parking feel easy. And for those who love music, the optional Bang and Olufsen sound system delivers crispy, clear sound way better than you expect from a truck. Safety is no joke with the F series. It has automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, plus multiple airbags, and the truck is built strong using high strength steel designed to take a hit and keep the cabin safe. Adaptive cruise control makes highway driving easy, keeping you steady while you relax. Under the hood, you've got options: a solid 3.3-liter V6 engine for everyday use, a powerful 5-liter V8 engine if want extra muscle, a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, a nice balance between power and fuel efficiency, and the electric F150 lighting, instant torque, quick and green. Towing: this truck handle up to around 14,000 pounds whether it's a trailer boat or heavy equipment, and the payload capacity is about 3,300 pounds, great for hauling work gear or camping stuff. As for gas mileage, expect roughly 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. Pretty solid for a full-size truck like this. So there you have it, the Ford F-Series in full detail. It's powerful, smart safety, a true all-rounder. If you enjoy hanging out with us today, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Gear Up X, and don't forget to ring that bell. We have got plenty more of some car review coming way. Thanks for watching, and I catch you next time.